I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be learning another line dance. I am high-key obsessed with this one. I think this is one of the first line dances I ever learned, and it definitely got me into line dancing. We're going to be doing it to Shivers by Sheeran, and yeah, I'm so excited to teach you this line dance, and hopefully you enjoy it. I'm also making tap choreography to this song as well, so yeah, whether you're a tap dancer or a line dancer or you want to try both, I got you. All right. So this one is so fun. It requires a little bit more room than Bar Song and Austin do, but the triples or chassés, if you're more of like a studio dancer, they're so much fun. All right, so you're gonna start right on count one with a jump to both feet. So it's just 1. Then your hips go left, right, and then they roll counterclockwise twice. That's on Ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And like, obviously you'll do it throughout the song, so the words aren't always that, but I'm gonna like have the chorus in my head as I'm teaching it to you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're done, you really, really want your weight on your left foot because you're about to use your right foot. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From there, your right foot comes over, you cross, step, and then you have a triple side or a chassé, right, left, right, and then you go the other way. Cross, step, triple side or chassé, left, right, left, and it's to face this wall. So you're starting with this wall. This takes you to face this wall. So front wall, left wall, assuming that this is the front of the room. So we started here, left, right, roll, roll. We go cross, step, triple side, cross, step, triple side with a little quarter turn. On that second cross, the idea is that you shimmy because that's when he says shivers. That's, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. Pull me closer. Give me the shivers. 7, 8. Shimmy is optional. Claps are optional later, but essentially you would like shimmy a little bit. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So from here, we are now facing this wall. You cross right over left, touch left, left over right, touch right, and then you're going to cross right over left, step back left, step back right, step left, to bring you back to this front wall. If you're more of a traditional studio dancer, this is very similar to a jazz square that shifts you a quarter turn. So you just did 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm doing with my feet over here, because I know facing the side, it's actually kind of hard to see. Pretend I'm facing this way. I'm literally just going cross, touch, cross, touch, cross, back, side, together. But with the quarter turn, the cross, back, step, together is more of like a semicircle than a square. So let's go from the top. We're almost done. It's such a short line dance, but it's so much fun. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Last part, you have step, touch, and you can do that with or without claps. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you turn to face the next wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm doing a 3-step turn or a chaîné turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. There are other ways that you can get there. There's lots of different variations that I've seen. Some people are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then they like shimmy themselves and just walk there. Some people are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Whatever you want to do to get to that wall is probably fine, but traditionally it is a 3-step turn to get here, and then you will start over. So we've learned the whole thing. So let's try putting it all together, okay? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we would go again. Okay, let's try all 4 walls with counts and see what happens. Then we'll do it with music. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? I hope you had so much fun learning this with me today. I had a blast teaching it to you. This is one that they always do out at the line dance bars, at least like once a night, I swear. I love doing this dance. I think I was at a convention where Sean was DJing and this song came on. It was not a line dance thing. Like no one else in the entire venue probably even knew how to line dance or liked country music or anything. But I'm in this room filled with people and the song comes on and I just tear up the dance floor solo to this song. And people are like, what is she doing? And I'm like, I don't care, I'm having a good time because this dance is that fun. So hopefully now that you learned it, you'll be able to join me on the dance floor if you see me at a convention with my company and this song comes on. So yeah, hopefully you guys had a lot of fun. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I can't really even say tap fam for this one because we're adding line dancing. So if you're just here for line dancing, I've got more coming. More is on its way. If you have song requests like that you want me to teach the line dance to, let me know. I'd be happy to accommodate some requests. If you're a tap dancer that's looking to get into line dancing, hopefully this was so much fun. And again, if you want more, let me know what songs you want me to teach. I'm totally down. And if you're a tap dancer who's like, why the heck is there line dancing on this channel? It's because they're so related. It's all footwork and you will find that it translates so well and it's just so much fun. And what a cool thing to be able to like go to a place and then they play a song and everybody just knows the dance, right? It's so much fun. Also, if you're a line dancer who is here and found themselves on doing a line dance tutorial and you also find out that this is a tap dance channel, tap dance and line dance are so related. So if you're interested in learning tap dance, I've got so many tutorials from beginner to advanced, from like day 1 to day 1000. I've got you. So definitely check out the rest of this channel. Also, while you're here, hit that thumbs up for me. And yeah, as always, thank you for dancing with me.